Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa says the Senate will launch its own investigation into the war on drugs and will invite former President Rodrigo Duterte as resource person. At naniniwala siya mas malaki po yung possibility na dumalo si former President sa ilo-launch nilang Senate investigation. Or comment on this po.
Very good. In fact, sabi ng Bible, 2 is better than 1. Oo. Pero may partner na kami sa Senado when it comes to investigation.
How about yung possibility na humarap mismo si former president sa kanila and yet dito sa atin po sa Quadcom? It seems like, yun po, although nagbigay na po ng statement si former president na willing siya na umaten, pero mas malaki yung possibility sa Senate siya humarap.
Well, it might be. It's up to him actually. Although in-indicate na niya na haharap siya if he's invited. No? So, sa amin, okay na okay yun eh. Hopefully, he will come and clear the air and say what he would like to say.
Hindi ho ba maaapektuhan yung pong inyong investigation na ginagawa kung sa Senate siya unang humarap dahil naka 8 public hearing na po yung Quadcom and palagi pong nadadrag yung pong si former President Duterte?
Hindi naman siguro sapagkat malalaman naman namin kung ano nga sabihin niya sa Senado eh. Whatever he will say, no, babantay namin maigi yan eh.
Follow-up lang po dun sa question about Bato, maglo-launch sila ng sarili nilang investigation po and invite si PRRD. Tingin niyo po ba magiging fair si Senator Bato dun po sa magiging pagdinig ng Senado, lalo na siya mismo po yung nadidiin sa issue ng war on drugs?
Hindi.
Paano niyo ba nasabi, sir?
Well, you know, the thing is, he became the Director General of the Philippine National Police during the time of the former president. No? But just imagine, he was only a Brigadier General all of a sudden. Nagdagdagan siya ng star, no? Naging Major General siya and naging Director General. So I would think that he would be more biased than actually balanced in that hearing. No?